Blairs began in 1913. We produce timber windows and doors. We've got a good reputation for making a quality product. Factory is 120,000 square feet. We produce timber and we produce PVC in the same plant. It's semi-automated, but there's a lot of manual, highly skilled tasks that take place as well. Back in the 1980s, we invented the original double swing window, which is one of our most popular products. We've just recently invested in a lot of new equipment, new machines to replace the old machines to make it future-proof for going forward.
All of our windows and doors are made to a high-quality standard by our time-served joiners. Our products are durable and can last up to 60 years with proper maintenance and care. We have recently invested in multiple technologies to future-proof our production lines, including our new profiling and tenon machine, as well as a state-of-the-art CNC within our door production area. This improves the efficiency and precision while maintaining and enhancing our quality throughout the manufacturing process.
Blairs customers are local authorities, housing associations, building contractors, joiners, and they're all spread throughout the UK, predominantly in Scotland, but with the expansion plans that we have over the next couple of years to grow the business throughout other areas of the UK we're not currently supplying to.